Well, hello guys, welcome to the answer to the question or conundrum. If you haven't seen the question and you want to play along, then have a look at a question part 1. I've entitled it now, and I've titled this part 2, which this is the answer. So if you want to play along and you haven't seen the original video with the question, because it's quite a bit of a difficult conundrum, or it's a logic puzzle really. And so this is the answer. The hiker should ask either of the men, and this is the question he should ask. He should ask either the one who tells the lies or one who tells the truth. He should ask them, if I were to ask you, is this the correct way I should go, would you say yes? And while he's asking that question, he should be pointing to either that direction or that direction, and the answer he gets, he can work out which is the correct way to go. And I've just jotted it down on a bit of paper to try to explain it in detail, but if you think about it, you will be able to work it out. So that's the answer. Okay guys, I've got it down on a bit of paper just to make it a bit clearer. It's not easy to understand, but I've got the guy up there which says always answers the truth, and this one always lies. So you've got the junction there, and you ask the bloke which always answers the truth, always says the truth. If you were pointing, you've got the correct way there, which obviously you don't know about, and you've got the wrong way. If you asked him the question, if I were to ask you if this is the way I should go, would you say yes? And you were pointing to the correct way, he always tells the truth, so he's going to say yes. And if you were pointing to the wrong way and you asked him the question, if I were to ask you if this is the way I should go, would you say yes? So you're pointing, he always tells the truth, you're pointing to the wrong way, so he's going to say no. When it comes to the bloke that always tells a lie, and you're pointing to the correct way, and you ask him the question, if I were to ask you if this is the way I should go, would you say yes? He's not going to say yes, because if you are going to ask him, he's going to say no. So if he replied no, he'd be telling the truth. So he's going to reply yes. Remember, he always lies. So he's going to reply yes. And same again, if you were pointing to the wrong direction and you asked him the question, if I were to ask you if this is the way I should go, would you say yes? If he said yes, that's what he would be telling you. If you asked him that question, he would be saying yes. But he's not going to reply yes, I would say yes, because he'd be telling the truth. Remember, he always lies, so he's going to say no. So as you can see, whatever man you ask, and whichever way you're pointing, the reply, if you get a reply yes, then you know it's that way, you know it's the left, yes, the left. If you get a reply no, either man, true or lie, no, no. Remember, you're pointing in that direction. If they reply no, you know it's the opposite direction, which would be the left junction. So that's it.